Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be telling you about Windrose's next big update. The next big update, Ashlands, is expected in the next 6 months. Firstly, there'll be a new biome called Ashlands. The environment will have ash-covered wastelands, ruined settlements and ancient structures, undead-themed enemies, dark, corrupted atmosphere, and new exploration regions beyond the current playable areas. There also may be new resources and materials, maybe ancient steel shards, ancient relic fragments, plague wood, broadcloth, grapes, ash powder, bones, sapphires, glass bottles, etc. There also will be new crafting station upgrades, workbench upgrades, and new recipes and progression paths. There is new equipment that's been confirmed, such as plague wood pickaxe and plague wood axe. As for gameplay improvements, the developers stated they want to enrich the current gameplay instead of only adding new biomes. This suggests that they'll add combat improvements, maybe better progression systems, maybe more in-depth mechanics, and maybe just general gameplay evolution rather than just more map area. What do you think is going to be added to Ashlands? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to play more multiplayer games with your friends, you can go ahead and check out Server.pro.